often overlooked yet so damn important when it comes to making your drops fuller and just larger than life. And if you don't know what I'm talking about effects. Yeah, I know, not super glamorous like the bass or the drums, but here's the thing. Take this track called Shish Kebab by Dr. P. Then strip the effects. I mean, don't get me wrong, the bass and the drums are awesome, but when you just add the effects and percussion, it just adds a whole new level of energy and pulse and just movement. And that kind of random effects, background noise, percussion is what I tried to capture in my latest dubstep series that I worked on for the first drop. I noticed the bass and the drums were hidden good, but there was something about the drop that was missing. It's alright, but add all the effects in. Adds to that 2010 kind of sound. But if you're thinking, Sam, what random effects and things am I going to add to my drop to make it even better? Well, there's quite a few things. Let's go back to this Dr. P stem for a second and let's see what we can listen to in the background. Straight off the bat, crash cymbal. Got some like crowd effects. We've got some low sweepers, like down sweeps in the background. So this kind of just adds a bed of noise underneath. We've also got a vocal repetition. I have no idea what it's saying. Adding to the stereo image as well, it's panning left and right. Random sounds. Sirens. More random sounds. Rises. And then of course percussion, rides and hi-hats. Anyway, back to my drop. Implementing similar things, we've got sweeps. The noise is definitely essential if you're gonna add one thing, add noise. Because without it, sirens, more noise, more effects. Vocal randomness. I would recommend having a similar chain like this. Completely strip the bass and then pan it left and right with a bit of delay and also reverb. Works wonders, just kind of in the foreground and maybe a bit too distracting. Just blend in the background, space it out. More random effects, lasers. That is really the gist of it, and it goes without saying you can use this in all sorts of genres. It doesn't have to specifically be dubstep. Drum and bass, bass house, trap. Whenever you need some like high energy injected into your tracks, I would definitely think about adding background effects for sure.